What's up, y'all? It's Kanin Cuisine here with another video, and today we doing smoked pickle wangs. You hear me? Smoked pickle wangs, cause the miracle is in the burger. You hear me? Say it to yourself. The miracle is in the burger. You hear me? Once you do this right here, you gonna do this all summer long. You gonna be scared, but you gonna do it. You hear me? Yeah, we got chicken wings. You want to make sure that you make these into party wings. Don't leave them whole, because if you do, you're going to have that purple meat that be all up in the joint that be slick raw. That ain't what you want. And the way to avoid all this is to go on cut it up into party wings. You hear me? Yeah, see that? Real simple. Do that right there. And then do the jazz hands after you cut each and every one. You hear me? This is a mean little pile of wings. Approximately 164 of them things. 4 packs of wings cut up. Got 164. Now, 42 of these wings gonna go in each of these bags. That's the average that you need to put in there, so you have little room for the juice to get everywhere it need to get. You hear me? Then we got the star of the show, which is the Pickle juice. You know, the miracle is in the Pickle. You're gonna soak your chicken in this, and it's gonna change your life forever. You hear me? Please believe. You're gonna soak it in this juice for 8 to 10 hours. Sound like a long time, but it really ain't. But a lot of damage gonna get done in that 8 to 10. Then you're gonna pour off that pickle juice. And I know it look like it got the coronavirus, but it's okay. It's gonna look a little sick green, but it's so good. You hear me? Then next, we're gonna come with the plain old buttermilk. Nothing special, just plain old buttermilk. But make sure you season your buttermilk. Whatever you use to fry chicken at home, throw it in this buttermilk. Same thing gonna happen. Now you can soak these wings in this buttermilk a little taste longer than you can the pickle juice, but both of these things add flavor and tenderness to the wings. You hear me? Now we outdoors. This is where the real fun begins. These wings are wet now. They are wet, so that means you gotta be quite generous with the seasoning. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna roll with this Lowry's. Everybody got this in their cabinet, and you don't want to go ham, but you can just just be a little free with the seasoning, because these wings are wet and a lot of the seasoning gonna come out. And then you're gonna come with the Zatarain's blackened seasoning. It's hard to find, but if you find it, Lowry seasoning and this Zatarain's go together. They like brother and sister. You hear me? You know what I'm saying? Be liberal as you see fit, because a lot of the seasoning gonna come off as these wings cook, cause they wet. You don't want to shake nothing off. Now don't forget the jazz hands. It make your food taste better. And when I smoke, I like applewood. Applewood is my favorite wood to use. And remember, if your fire is directly up under your meat, you ain't smoking, you're grilling. Them two different things. I'm a smoker. You see how this chicken still wet? You know what I'm saying? You're gonna be scared, but you gonna do it. It's gonna turn out right. That good old buttermilk gonna run all up in that skin. It's gonna take a little while. You gotta be patient. You know what I'm saying? Grillers be rushing and want stuff all quick, but see, a real smoker, no, you just got to wait. And if you wait, your food gonna be so fire. Look at it. It's getting roasted, toasted. You hear me? Ain't no black grill lines all on the chicken. It's roasted, toasted. You hear me? Now see, this the last little step. Once it get roasted, toasted, then we just gonna stir it up real good. You know what I'm saying? Let the seasoning get on each piece of chicken and make a good old pile. And then see all the chicken juices. They just gonna get together. They gonna form a little community in the corner of the grill. You hear me? This the last little part. And once you do this, shoot, the hard work is already done. All you waiting on is that 165. You hear me? When you get to 165, you through. You hear me? Easy. You just gotta take time. You just gotta plan for this. And you can do it, you hear me? Yeah, look at the last jazz hand, you hear me? Bye! Ooh, this is what you want, roasted, toasted. Yeah, man, you gonna do it.